Welcome to the Mastercam 2019 MilEssentials video training series tutorial number 5. In this tutorial, we will open a SolidWorks file in Mastercam. We will then select a machine definition and set up the stock. 3 setups will be used to machine the part. A 2D high-speed area mill toolpath will be created to remove the material inside of the step. 2 2D high-speed area mill toolpaths will be created to remove the material inside of the pockets. Drill toolpaths will be created to machine the 3 holes in the front. A slot mill toolpath will be created to machine the slot on the side. Backplot and verify will be used to simulate the tool's movements. Finally, we will post-process the file to obtain NC files containing the necessary code for the machine. First, we will open the file. Select Open. Navigate to the location you saved the file, and change the file type to SolidWorks files. Select tutorial number 5, making sure you're not selecting the exercise file. Select Options. Make sure Import Solids is selected, and enable Edge Curves. Press OK, and press Open. Then, change your view to isometric. Next, save your file. Give it a name and press Save.